In this video, we will show you how to access the archive chat on ChatGPT. When you have a chat like this, okay, for example, hi ChatGPT, then you archive this chat, okay. You cannot access the chat in the common way, okay. For example, we click this and select archive. The chat will gone here, okay. So you cannot access from this panel. To access the archive chat, you can just go to your profile, okay, for example here, and select settings. After that, you can just choose data controls options, okay. Then you can see there is archive chats menu in there and select manage. After you select manage, you can see you can access your archive chats on ChatGPT. When you click this, the chats will open like that. Okay, let's create a second archive. For example, what's color of a star? Okay, for example, like this. Star come in many colors. Okay, after that you can save this as archive. Okay, when you save the archive, you can click your profiles and select settings and go to data controls and select archive chats menu and choose manage. You can see there is two chats in there. Okay, you can unarchive chat by clicking this icon, or you can open the chats. After that, there is unarchive button here. You can click this to unarchive the chat. Okay, that's all tutorial how to access the archive chat on ChatGPT. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.